This bad boy is as nippy as it looks, part of a new range of toys by RiiRoo. Now your kid can literally be the coolest one on the block with the BMW S1000XR 12V licensed battery electric ride-on motorbike. With the rev of real engine sounds and the attention to detail, good luck in trying to prize them away from this when it's tea time. It's suitable for children of up to 8 years of age or up to 128 cm in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, start-up engine sounds, functioning horn, official brand stickers and badges.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. We give our customers the option to purchase our Bluetooth adapters, which are compatible with this ride-on's onboard media player. Realistic multi-spoke rims, throttle acceleration method. Just look at the attention to detail of the brake discs. Forward and reverse gears. The bike has realistic race slick tyres, giving it that authentic superbike look. 3-way key start with keys included. The separate light switch allows the lights to be switched on or off at will. Removable safety stabilisers for those that have transitioned to just riding the bike with 2 wheels. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.